Hey, this is Matthew Davis, and I'm here to show you guys what a Cranium Cafe appointment, or otherwise known as video counseling appointment, would be like via the web with your counselor here at Mount SAC. In order for us to begin, you're going to want to first open up the email you had received after making this video counseling appointment. In that email, there should be a link for a Cranium Cafe meeting. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and it'll bring you to one of two pages. Either the lobby of the counselor you're waiting to see, or the login page in which you'll log in, and then it'll bring you to the lobby. And from there, the counselor will go ahead and let you into the appointment. Hey, Gunny.
Hey, Matt. How are you doing today?
Good. How about yourself?
Pretty good. So one of the first things you want to do when you come into a Cranium Cafe appointment, you want to verify that you're actually meeting with the correct student. And one of the verifications, counselors may ask you to maybe show your ID. They basically have you take your ID and hold it up to the camera. And then they can look and verify, yep, that's the person I'm actually meeting with. Another possible verification, counselors may ask you a series of questions to verify that it's you, such as, hey, what is your current major?
Sociology.
Okay, when did you first start? What was your first semester you started here?
Fall 2018.
What is the last four of your student ID number?
1234.
Something like that. Counselors will use to kind of verify, to ensure your security, to make sure that they're actually talking to the correct student.
And as a student, you may not want to always show your face on video chat feature. So you could also use the chat feature right here on the bottom left-hand corner. And all you do is simply click on stop sharing. And you are able to chat with the counselor right here on the left-hand side. Please do keep in mind the counselor may not be able to hear you or see you.
So basically what we would do is you would be able to hear me, but I can't see you, and you maybe can't see me. I'm not sure. Can you see me? So I would basically chat to you over in the left box. By using the chat feature, it's a slower process because we're chatting, we're typing back and forth, so we're waiting on each other's answers, waiting for someone to type. So this is a little slower feature, but is a feature that's available to you as a student that you can use if you don't want to use the video setting.
And if you want to go back to the video feature, all you have to do is simply click right here, and it'll allow you to turn the camera back on.
Okay, so as I mentioned, in a counseling appointment, you can hold it just like you're in the office. Here's an example of that. While you're in the screen share with your counselor, the counselor can actually open up a document and the counselor, you're able to see, so if they were holding a counseling appointment, let's say you were a psychology major, they can talk to you about what's required in that major, some of the core classes that are required, and go through, and you're able to see it. The counselor is also able to take that document and highlight certain things that they want to talk to you or tell you about or whatever. But once they're done with their document, they can actually save that document and share that document with you. And over in the chat button that we spoke about earlier, you will get a link to download that document. So you will have your own copy of that document that you can use when you're not with your counselor.
Yep. And in order to open that document, all you have to do is go to the chat setting on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, click on the PDF, download it, and it should pop up right here with my counselor's information.
Also, to be able to support as many students as possible, we may have students who come in, students with hearing impairments, and to support them, Cranium Cafe offers closed captioning. And the counselor can talk, and it will actually be typing whatever the counselor is saying at the same time. So as a student, if you need closed captioning, you're able to click on the closed captioning at the bottom. It should say hide or show closed captioning, and you're able to see the closed captioning. The only drawback to this feature is sometimes the closed captioning doesn't correctly collect the words that you're saying. If the counselor notices or you notice that something is incorrect, just use the chat feature, or if you're using voice feature, let the counselor know, and he can go back and restate whatever that was said. So basically, these are some of the basic tools of the Cranium Cafe that can be used for counselors and the students during these trying times that we're going through. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the counseling department. We will definitely be able to answer any questions to help you get through this process. Hope this video helped you, and feel free to reach out to us. Welcome to Cranium Cafe.